One of the things you have to be very careful about as you approach a thermal is you do not want to turn too early, and you certainly do not want to turn too early while banking hard and pulling back at the same time. So here's what happens when you do that. So here we are finding that thermal, and we bank hard, we pull, and you put in that rudder and put yourself into the situation. So in this case, I have the stick back, I've pulled hard because I really, really want that thermal, and see what happens here. That core is the strongest part of the thermal, but as I approach that core, the lift, it's getting stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. But the moment that I am coming out of it, the further away I get away from the core, the the less strong the lift is going to be. And when the lift goes from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 to the sink on the far side of the thermal, especially as I'm turning downwind, that's going to then cause that's going to suck the energy out of the glider. It's a dynamic soaring effect. And so, and if you basically put yourself into that shear that's getting away from the thermal, where the shear is getting less and less and less and less, that's sucking the energy out of the glider. Now, if I put myself in that highly loaded state as I'm trying to pull into that thermal, as I'm trying to slow down with my airspeed a little bit low, with my yaw string inboard like this, here's what happens. And in this scenario, it's very easy to see how you can stall and spin out, and why that does not work.